Hyundai L&C Interior Film Bodaq, leading the space trend. Make the world more beautiful. Make the interior more elegant. It creates a living space full of specialties. Hyundai L&C Interior Film Bodaq, thinking about health and safety. From material selection, applying strict eco-friendly standards, we create a healthy space which is beneficial to both nature and people. Create a space with a differentiated, sensitive design that resembles nature and includes the senses. Eco-friendly interior film Hyundai L&C Bodaq. A space that comforts. Interior. A promise for the future. Environment. Hyundai Department Store Group. Hyundai L&C.